Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? So guys, today's video is unboxing. I'm going to unbox food stuff that my husband came back with from Nigeria. Please keep on watching. I will start by opening them one after the other. Let's start from this one. Let me shift them back. Let's start from this one. Ooh, this one is dry fish. Okporoko. Oh my god. Hey, my soup is going to be so special this time around. This one is the third one. Oh my god. Hey. Oh dear. Guys, are you see what I'm seeing? Are you see what I'm seeing? Are you seeing? Are you see what I'm seeing? Oh my god. Oh. Oh my good god, guys, you can see this one. This one is in 3 places. Let me open them so that you can see. Oh Jesus. If I tell you how much they are selling this thing, this only one of these fish is almost 10 euro. If they give you 10 euro safe, you have to say them thank you. Very expensive, yeah. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Let me open this one. Now African people, they know how to wrap things. This is bonga fish. This one is bonga fish. Oh my god. Let me open this one again. Oh dear, this one is oba. Oba. What is it called in English itself? Oil bean. Thank you, honey. Okay. Look at my oba oil bean. That is what it's called in English language. Oh my god. I'm so happy. This one is red oil. Let me just open it and see because it's in the rubber. Oh my god. This is the best thing my husband has. Oh my good god. Guys, look at. Look. My red oil. Guys, look my red oil. I have 2 rubbers of red oil. Guys, look at my red oil. 2 rubbers. Don't know if you have seen it. This is 2 rubbers of red oil. Let me just open it very well so that you guys can see it. Oh my god, guys, I'm so I'm so excited. Oh, God bless my mother-in-law. God bless my mother. Oh my god. God bless these 2 people for me. I'm so happy. At least this red oil is going to last up to 1 year. Guys, you can see I have 2 rubbers of 5 liters of, that is almost 10 liters of red oil. What is inside this one? I'm already subscribed. Oh, it has opened by itself. Guys, look. Oh my God. Hey, my soup go sweet too much this time around. I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy. Okay, guys, let's do it like this, I'm going to unbox everything off camera and show you what each waterproof or what each wrap contains, okay? Because if I continue to unbox everything in the camera like this, it's going to take a long time. So I don't want this video to be more or less than at least 6 to 8 minutes video, 7 minutes video, okay? Let me just unbox everything off camera, okay? Please keep on watching. So guys, now that I've finished opening everything, now let me show you. This is oporoko, the ear. I don't know whether it's the ear. This is blended ogbono, grounded ogbono. This is egusi. I have it up to 5 like this. This is egusi. This is another egusi. This one is tonton. Don't know if you can see. This one is tonton. This one is okwa, fried okwa. Why this one is the fresh okwa itself? Oh my God, I so much love this. This is my crayfish. This is pepper. This is granite. I have it up to 4 like this. This is onubo. This is ajumbise, ozuza, and oda. They call it negro pepper. So this is my nzu. I so much love in nzu. Yeah, this is my nzu. This one is my attachment. You can see it. This is the fish. You have seen it before. The bonga fish. This is the okporoko and the other one. 2 types of okporoko and the head of okporoko. This is the oba. Yeah, I've opened it before. Why this is my net. This one is akiawosa, dried tiger nuts. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. I've come to end of today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. See you again in my next video. Bye bye.